Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series Python machine learning on the edge. Guys, we are on lesson number 29 Python Pandas, right? That is what we are learning. In this lesson, I am going to show you named index in DataFrames for machine learning. Alright, so what is a named index? So with the index argument, the method called index, which I showed you in the previous chapters, you can basically name your own indexes. And how do we do that? Let me show you an example in my Jetson Nano. Alright, this is my IDE, Visual Studio IDE, and let's start importing our Python Pandas. How do you spell it as pandas and Python? Python, it depends upon individual how you call it. Import pandas as PD. Alright, space, enter. Now let's create our data frame and with a curly bracket. Remember guys, this is a curly bracket, right? And then hit enter, and then what we need to do, let's use the same example of calories and number of minutes you spend to burn it and kind of thing, right? Calories in the double quote, come out of the double quote, colon. Now let's create the values. What is that? The calories are say 450, comma say 500, comma 550. Okay, and then put a comma. Those are important syntaxes, guys, do not miss. And then in a double quote, let's say how much time you spend, like how many minutes, duration. Say duration, colon, and then a square bracket, say you spend say 30 minutes to burn 450 calories, and then 40 minutes to burn 500 calories, and then 50 minutes to burn 550 calories. All right, and then let's come out of that indentation block of code, and now let's call df. Our data frame is PD or pandas dot data frame. There you go, you got the data frame already. And then in the bracket, curvy bracket, say data comma index equals, and now let's do the naming, right? We can name it anything, guys, in this. So for example, in day 1, okay, you spent 30 minutes and you lost 450 calories, and then comma say day 2. Oh, it should be in the double quote, say day 2. All right, and then come out of the double quote, comma, and then double quote, say day 3. All right, that's how it works. Now let's print what? Print our data frame. Let's see what happens. Print df, like that. Okay, now let me run Python file in terminal and let us see what happens. Run Python file. This is kind of crazy sometimes. A right click in my mouse in Jetson Nano, we gotta be careful. Run Python file in terminal, and I hope no indentation. Oh yeah, there you go. Calories, duration, so day 1 450, day 2, and same way you can see for day 3 and day 4. Day 4 we haven't added, but we can add day 4, day 5, day 6, depends upon your data size, what you have defined within your data frame, right? Now you can also access you can also locate that particular name. How do you locate? I showed you in the previous example by using the loc function. So all we need to do is say, for example, df dot loc, and then use the square bracket, and you want to access say only day 2. Okay, now let's see what happens if we print. If we print this command, what's going to happen if we print this code? Say right click, run Python file in terminal, and this is going to show you your name day 2 and the data type is int64. And in day 2 what happened? You ran for 40 minutes and you burned a calorie of 500. Can you see that, guys? Can you see how you are able to manipulate the data with a small set of data in pandas? What and all magic you can do, right? Just imagine if you have a trillion set of data being loaded into your Jetson Nano. I suspect it's going to work, but we can add SSD and run trillions of sets of data and do that. I have done that. I have used one of the external SSD drives and configured that with my Jetson Nano, and millions and billions of data I tried to execute. It worked pretty well. Anyways, that's going to be the future lessons, guys. I'm going to show you a lot of interesting machine learning examples, and you will be building your own projects very soon. See you then. Do give me a thumbs up and a like. Bye bye.